Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is an eyebrow tutorial, but before we get into that, I would like to say that I did do a wig review on this wig you see I have on now. It should already be recorded and posted, and I will link it below so you guys can check that out, and I very much appreciate it. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the video. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the things I use for my eyebrows. Of course, I pull my hair out the way, obviously. The first thing I'm going to show you is my NYX eyebrow brush. It has an angle side and a spoolie. And after that, the next brush I use is this brush for my concealer and this brush for blending the powders once I set that concealer. Now, the thing I use in my eyebrows is the Anastasia Beverly DipBrow in the color dark brown. I use the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand for my concealer. And to set that, I use this mineral powder in the color Carmel. And my all over glow bronzing powder for my highlight. Now, I do change up products depending on the day or what I'm doing and this and that. But that's what I'm using in today's video. Now, normally I cut my eyebrows if they are going crazy or whatever. But since I recently did it, I don't have to do it. Then after that, I start brushing my eyebrows into place. And yeah.
Who would've thought that we'll be fucking for the lesson? Who would've thought that we'd be fucking for the lesson? Let me like no other, you don't need no one. All them bitches hating, don't believe no one. Let me.
Now the only thing I do is take the product in the middle of my eyebrow and I just work it out and around my eyebrow until I get my desired look. And yeah.
Ain't the same. I know you can, I know you can. Baby say my name, baby say my name. I wanted to get married on an island, baby. Listen, you in that white dress and you smiling, baby. But lately you been really acting childish, baby. Now baby you been really wildin', baby.
Alright guys, so after I fill in my eyebrows, I do take my brush, as you can see, upside down kinda, to go ahead and create a fade in my eyebrows with the remaining product on that brush. And then I go ahead and brush it out to smooth out the product, I guess, and move it around so it won't look so dark and crunched up. And I do that to both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me do it to this eyebrow as well.
You bullshit for the lesson. Who would've thought that we'll be fucking for the lesson? Who would've thought that we'd be fucking for the lesson? For the lesson.
Alright guys, so after I do that, this is what we have. I know they look kind of crazy, but that's what concealer is for, to make everything better. So I dip it into concealer and wipe off the excess as you've seen. And don't forget to lift your eyebrows before applying the concealer. It helps so much. And I go ahead and just start, again, cleaning up my brows and shaping them a little more. And that is what I'm doing here. Now, after I do that, I go ahead and do it to the top part as well. And whatever remaining excess concealer I have on the brush after doing this, I do take to the front of my brows and just, use it to do an eraser, I guess, as you can see. And I'll move the product, blend the product a little more with the brush. But to finish it, I do use my fingers. This is what I do. It works best for me. And yeah. Now, wherever I feel like I might have messed up at, I go ahead and brush out my eyebrows a little more and use whatever product left on that brush to basically fix it. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do it to the other side. Again, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch that, and I'll be back.
Sitting here reminiscing about why we kissing, baby. I gave you top of the line, I know you miss it, baby. I got a lot on my mind, you should've listened, baby. If you could turn back the time, you would've missed it, baby. You would've listened to the words, I swear. Your shit wouldn't be out on the curb, I swear. I swear to God, you got some nerves, I swear. But for listening to them birds,
Alright guys, so once I'm done actually doing this part, I take my mineral powder and the blending brush to set that concealer And normally, like on a day like going to work or something, I do this because a mineral powder is more skin like rather than using Laura Mercier or something like that. And majority of the time I only do my eyebrows, nothing else, just my eyebrows when I go to work. So that's what I normally use, unless I'm doing like a glam look. Now after I do that, I use my fan brush to put a little highlight under there, and I try to go for something subtle. And the one I'm using now is very, very subtle. You can see a little shine, but yet you can use it every day.
To get married on an island, baby. Listen, you in that white dress and you smiling, baby. But lately you been really acting childish, baby. Now, baby, you been really, really wildin', baby.
Yeah, you guys, so that is it. That is how I do my eyebrows. I love the way they look. They are so cute. Just looking at this video while I'm doing this voiceover is just making me so happy because I'm like, yes, I see you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Again, go ahead and check out that hair review. I very much appreciate it. I will have a link below. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And y'all have a good one.
Who would have thought that we'd be fucking for the last time?